And Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala reiterates that market forces are dictating the prices of onion in the country. The details are from this report.
In 2010, before Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala assumed his post, the planting of onion was not lucrative to farmers. Because of this, Alcala implemented a program to increase the hectareage of land planted to onion on top of garlic, which is a major crop in northern Luzon and several provinces of central Luzon. Farmers were provided the seeds and the technical support to enhance their production. 4 years after, the program paid off. For 2015, farmers produced bumper harvest, which will hopefully increase their incomes.
Ako nga po ay nagtataka dahil meron po mga tao nagsasabing there is a looming crisis in onion. Sabi ko, paano mangyayaring ang looming crisis? Pagka mayroong supply, hindi crisis yan. That means may magandang nangyayari sa bansa. Babalikan ko lang po, in 2010, halos walang industriya na po itong onion sa ating buong bansa. At sa pag-intervene po ng Department of Agriculture at kasama yung mga magsasaka, na-encourage po natin silang muling magtanim at mag-invest sa pagtatanim po ng sibuyas.
However, some farmer organizations expressed concern there is an oversupply of onions due to stockpiling of imported onions. The Bureau of Plant Industry disputed the claims. According to the BPI's OIC, Attorney Paz Benitez, there was no import permit granted to anyone. Only 10,000 metric tons of white onions arrived in the country from September 2014 to January of this year. Alcala stressed market forces are dictating prices.
Ang sibuyas na nabibili po sa ating merkado ay nanggaling po sa local production ng ating mga magsasaka. Ang maganda po nito, ngayong taong ito, nakita po namin na mas maganda palalo ang harvest. So that means this might be the reason kung bakit nagbaba po ng konti. Low supply and demand, siyempre po nagbaba ng kaunti po yung presyo. But at the end of the day, ang bottom line po nito, kapag i-check po natin yung presyo ng production cost against doon sa bili ngayon ng ating mga mamimili, ay lumalabas po na hindi naman sila naluluging totoo. Sila po ay more or less mga 100% ang return of investment after 4 months.
In the meantime, Alcala Baird the program to establish an onion processing center for onion powder. Alcala Baird the program during the inauguration of the DA's Onion and Garlic Storage Center in Darat, Ilocos Norte. For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abanda reporting.